how to repost a story on Instagram. So the first thing that you would need in order for you to repost a story is for you to be mentioned in the story that you would want to repost. So you want to go into the messages. So you want to tap here on the messenger icon right there. And from here, you would want to tap on the conversation where it says mentioned you in their story, just like this one right here. And from here, you'd now be able to see that you have the add to your story button. And that is the way for you to repost that certain story very easily. So tap on that. And from here, once you have tapped on that, you will now be able to edit the story, style it however you want it. And then once you're done, you can either post this here on your story directly or for your close friends, or you could go tap here on this right arrow icon so that you'd have more control on the privacy settings on where you're going to share it. And once you're done, you want to tap on share and then tap on done. And then just like that, you can now go back in here and then you will now be able to see that you have now successfully reposted the story.